Your instructors are asked to use Moodle to send you messages throughout the term. You can make your life easier by setting up message preferences so that notifications about messages go to your email, rather than feeling as though you might have missed a message because you didn't log into Moodle to check your message notifications. Although you should log into Moodle to check your message notifications. Let's take a look at message preferences in Moodle. Let's go to the Tillamook Bay website. Click on Moodle. And you'll want to log in with your account. Click on your name. So right here is where you would see notifications for messages pop up. There'd be a little red 1 or 2 here, depending on how many messages you have there. So we're going to set up your preferences so that notifications go to your email. Click on your name, click Preferences, go ahead and click Message Preferences, and you just need to make sure that these are set to on, or at least offline messages are set to on. So that means when you're not logged into Moodle, you'll receive email notifications about messages that are sent in Moodle. If you are logged into Moodle, you can choose to turn this off so that you will not receive email notifications for messages while you're logged into Moodle, or you can choose to turn it on and you will receive email notifications for messages while you're logged into Moodle. And that's it.